but that stuff gets only better. I don't know how I went this few short years from absolutely hating the taste of this stuff, actually liking it over Colt 45. I guess it's I don't know what the word for it is. Cheers. I think I'm going to stop burping in these videos. Seem to be getting too positive reviews for that. That's the next challenge. No more burps. It seems impossible at this point, but I'm sure I can get there. Man, this stuff's good. Maybe I'll just SBD on my burps. Alright.